I'm so glad we decided to explore this path.
The light coming through the trees is beautiful.
Look at that light filtering through the canopy. It's beautiful.
It really is. I'm so glad we decided to come this way.
Dad, it's an emergency. You have to come to the jungle right now. Please hurry.
We thought you were gone.
Are you okay?
How do you find this? Sula.
Oh, Dad, I don't know.
All right, listen closely. We lower it slowly using ropes anchored to that baobab.
Are you sure the frame will hold? It looks completely rusted through.
It has to hold. It's our only way out of here.
We have some ropes in the car, but I think we should call the truck to take it home.
We need your help. Please come here with your truck.
हाँ भरा मैं हुणे उत्थे आउंदा. Singh is always ready to help. My Singh friend says that is coming here right now with his truck. We should take down this car now.
Hello, everyone. Glad I finally found you.
Singh is here. Yeah. How may I help you?
Thank you, my friend, for coming here. And we have to load this old car into your track and take it to home.
This is it, the new distribution hub. Wow, it's huge.
Huge. We are going to do great work here.
We want to change and modify this into a new
Ferrari model.
The intake manifold is badly corroded.
I see it. Grab the...
You see that rust right there?
Yes, got it.
That's it. That's what we needed. Now find it. See how the frame is here? It needs reinforcement.
I see. Around the wheel arch. Is it very old?
Hold it steady right there. That's the weak point.
Got it.
Perfect. We're locking this down. All right, this section here.
Okay, I see it.
We'll just run a bead here to strengthen it up.
Got it. Handing you the brace.
Let's check the engine mounts first.
Good idea. Bring the light over here.
That's incredible.
We finally did it.
Look, the red Ferrari. It's finally here.
It's stunning. I can't believe we actually found it. I'm so happy right now I could cry.
What will be Dad's reaction when they saw this car?
Ahio. The PM. Yo, no! Dad, come out and see what's outside. Thank you so much. I can't believe this is happening. We are truly blessed.
Woohoo! This is amazing.
Yeah, let's go!
Come out of the car right now.
The car you found in jungle belonged to Big Murder Case.